Imagine never forgetting anything. Every joke, every heartbreak, every awkward thing you said in middle school, stored in perfect detail forever. Sounds amazing or terrifying. Right now, your brain is like a lazy librarian. It tosses out most of what you see and hear, keeping only the highlights: your first kiss, your Wi-Fi password, and that embarrassing thing you said to your boss last week. But in this scenario, we turn your memory into a perfect 24/7 recording machine. No gaps, no forgetting. Every sound, every smell, every second of your existence. Ready to replay like a video file in your head. Your brain has around 86 billion neurons, and each one can store thousands of connections. But even that has limits. Recording every single second of your life will require a mind-blowing amount of data, probably hundreds of petabytes. Your skull would basically need a built-in data center. So, in this thought experiment, let's give you a supercharged brain that can handle it. Boom, problem solved. With perfect recall, you'd never misplace your keys again. You'd instantly remember exactly where you left them. On the kitchen counter, next to the half-eaten sandwich from last Tuesday at 3:42 p.m. Sounds great, right? But there's a catch. You'd also remember every mosquito bite, every bad smell, and every boring Zoom call. Your mental highlight reel will become a 24-hour surveillance tape that never stops playing. Nostalgia would disappear. Right now, our brains blur the past, softening the rough edges and making old memories feel warm and fuzzy. But if you could rewatch your childhood exactly as it happened, you see every tantrum, every bad haircut, and every time you accidentally called your teacher mom. Life might feel less like a story and more like a never-ending replay of events. Relationships would get weird. Arguments would be impossible to win. Your partner says, "I never said that." And you say, "Roll tape, December 12th, 8:14 p.m. You said exactly that. Congratulations, you're now the most annoying person on earth. On the bright side, school would be a breeze. You'd remember every fact your teacher ever said. Final exams, perfect scores, pub quizzes, you destroy everyone. But here's the twist. Too much memory could actually hurt your mental health. Real people with hyperthymesia, a rare condition where they remember almost everything, often struggle with anxiety and depression. Their brains can't forget painful moments, so emotional scars never heal. Imagine reliving every breakup, every embarrassing moment, every bad day forever. Your brain would never get a chance to move on. And sleeping would be like binge watching your own life instead of resting. You'd wake up mentally exhausted. So while perfect memory sounds like a superpower, it might actually make life unbearable. Forgetting is part of what makes us human. It helps us heal, grow, and stay sane. Our brains aren't broken, they're smart. They keep the important lessons, throw away the boring stuff, and let us look back with a little bit of rose-colored nostalgia. So, would you take the deal, perfect memory for life? Or would you stick with your good old forgetful brain? Tell me in the comments. I might not remember to reply, but I'll try. If you enjoyed this brain-bending scenario, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-wide what-if adventures, and share this with that one friend who never forgets anything.